So in today's class I'm going to give you all the definition of the sets and the types of sets. Okay, let us start with it. Now let us see what is a set. Okay, set is a collection of well-defined objects which are distinct from each other. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, comma B, comma C up to so on, and elements are usually denoted by small letters, that is A, comma B, comma C up to so on. If A is an element of a set A, then we write A, small a belongs to capital A, and say A belongs to A. Or A is in A, or A is a member of A. If A does not belong to A, we write A does not belong to A. Now standard notations in the sets. Okay, N a set of natural number, W a set of whole number, Z a set of integer, Z plus or Z minus a set of all positive or negative integer. This is positive integers. Set of negative integers is this one. Okay, Q is what? A set of all rational numbers. Now Q plus is a set of all positive rational numbers. Q minus is set of all negative rational numbers. Okay, R is a set of real numbers. R plus is a set of all positive real numbers. R minus is set of all negative real numbers. And C is a set of all complex numbers. Okay, these are the standard notations and you all can take down this. And next, moving towards the types of sets. Okay, first is finite set. A set containing finite number of elements or no elements are called as finite sets. Okay, next is the cardinal number of a finite set. The number of elements is in a given finite set is called cardinal number of finite set, denoted by n of A. Next is infinite set. A set containing infinite number of elements. Fourth is empty or null or void set. A set containing no element is denoted by phi or this. Okay, braces. Next is the singleton set. A set containing a single element is called singleton set. Okay, next is the equal set. Okay, what is equal set? Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of A is a member of B and every element of B is a member of A, and we write A is equal to B. This is the definition of equal set. Okay, next, moving towards the equivalent sets. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements. If n of A is equal to n of B, then A and B are equivalent sets. Next definition is subset and superset. Let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, then A is called subset of B and B is called superset of A. Written as A is a subset of B or B, you all can see this. Okay, or B is a superset of A. Next is what? Proper subset definition. Okay, if A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called proper subset of B and we write A is a subset of B. Okay, next is the universal set. Okay, it is denoted by U. A set containing of all possible elements which occur under consideration is called universal set. Next is the comparable sets. Two sets A and B are comparable if A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A. Next, moving towards the non-comparable sets. For two sets A and B, if neither A is a subset of B nor B is a subset of A, then A and B are called non-comparable sets. Next is the power set definition. The set formed by all the subset of an even set A is called power set of A, denoted by P of A. Last is disjoint set. Two set A and B are called disjoint if A intersection B is equal to phi, that is they do not have any common elements. Okay, so this we are done with the types of sets definition. I hope you all have understood and thanks for watching.